Hey everyone, this is Daily Dose of Medicine. Today we will talk about Chalazion. It's a common eyelid condition that occurs when a small, localized lump or bump forms within the eyelid, as you can see here. It's usually painless and is caused by the blockage of a meibomian gland, which is responsible for producing the oily substance that helps lubricate the eye and prevent tear evaporation. It usually develops when the meibomian glands become blocked, which can due to factors like inflammation of the eyelid, which is called blepharitis, a stye, which is called hordeolum, or a bacterial infection. These blockages prevent the normal flow of the oily substance, leading to formation of a chalazion. Common symptoms include a small painless bump on the eyelid, localized swelling, redness, and tenderness. In some cases, it may cause blurred vision if it presses on the eye. It often resolves on their own and over several weeks as the blocked gland clears. Warm compresses applied to the affected eye can help speed up the process by softening the material within the chalazion. If the chalazion persists or becomes bothersome, a doctor may recommend other treatments such as antibiotic ointments or corticosteroid injections. In some cases, surgical drainage may be necessary to remove the chalazion. To reduce the risk of developing this, maintain a good eyelid hygiene. This includes regularly cleaning your eyelids and lashes, especially if you have a history of eyelid issues or blepharitis. Avoid rubbing your eyes, which can irritate the eyelids. It's often confused with styes, but they are different. A stye is an acute, painful infection of the hair follicles at the base of the eyelash, while a chalazion is generally painless. Stye is painful, and chalazion is painless. And chalazion results from a blocked meibomian gland, as we said earlier. If you suspect you have a chalazion or any other eye condition, it's essential to consult with an eye doctor or healthcare professional for proper evaluation and guidance on the appropriate treatment. They can help determine the cause of the eyelid issue and recommend the best course of action to alleviate the problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to watch our folate deficiency signs video, and don't forget to watch our how to detox pancreas fast video. See you on the next one.